Blend modes are one of the most powerful tools in graphical design, and there's a good chance that you may have used blend modes yourself. Many filters that you find on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook are built using a combination of blend modes and other graphical techniques. Most graphics editing programs such as Adobe Photoshop and GIMP allow the user to choose from a collection of blend modes to alleviate the user's work and to extend creativity. Even though Unreal Engine has a few blend modes in store, they're still missing quite a few. I have taken the opportunity to create 26 of the Photoshop blend modes in Unreal Engine so that we can extend the existing capabilities of creating awesome effects and shaders. After you purchase the blend modes pack and install it, you'll be greeted with 26 new material functions that you will be able to play around with. This blend modes pack also includes a master material function that combines all of the other blend modes into a single node. This node is perfect to use if you want to experiment with a variety of effects. I have made 3 tutorials to showcase the blend modes pack and to get you started with creating your own amazing shaders and effects. The 3 tutorials will individually take you through the setup phase and all the way through to achieving our final effects. They are easy to follow and doesn't require prior knowledge of Unreal Engine or how to create shaders. With all of this said, I'm super excited to get this into your hands and to see your awesome creations. The blend modes pack is available for purchase on the Unreal Engine Marketplace and on Gumroad. Links to the store page and tutorials can be found in the video description. Thank you for watching.